Welcome back to day 13 of our 100 Days of Python Coding Challenge. Today we have an exciting challenge where we'll be writing a Python program to print a beautiful diamond pattern using numbers, ready to craft some numerical bling. Today we're unleashing the power of numbers to construct a dazzling diamond pattern. The pattern will have 2A1 rows, and we'll start with the number 1. Given a number A, your task is to write a program that prints a diamond of 2A1 rows using numbers starting from 1. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing A. The output should be 2A1 rows containing numbers starting from 1 as a diamond. Example: if the given number is A4, the program should print the numbers on 2.41 rows in a diamond pattern. In this video, you'll learn how to write a Python program that generates a diamond shape using numbers, the secrets of loops, and conditional statements for precise pattern control. Tips for customizing your diamond with different sizes and starting numbers. Pro strategies to optimize your Python code for efficiency and readability. Bonus challenges to take your diamond crafting skills to the next level. Sample input and output are also given for your reference. Remember, coding is fun, and every challenge brings you one step closer to becoming a Python pro. Happy coding! Let's unlock your Python potential together. If you find the video helpful, if you enjoy our coding challenges, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging Python coding challenges, and turn on the notification bell. Be the first to tackle exciting Python programming challenges every day. Let's grow together. Help us reach more Python enthusiasts by sharing this video with your friends and coding communities. Your support means the world to us.